to upload videos on Pinterest. So if you want to upload some videos on Pinterest, then first of all, let's open up the Pinterest application. Then after opening, now you can go to the profile, which is on the bottom right. And then here you will have a plus icon on the right side of that search bar. Simply tap on the plus icon and then tap on idea pin and then tap on allow. And now you can go to the video section, and here you will have your videos, right? So you can simply choose any one of that video and then you can tap on next, which is on the upper right. And now you can again tap on next, which is on the upper right. And here you have to write a title. You can give a title to that video. And after writing, you can also add your link here, and you can also tag some related topics to that, and you can also do some advanced settings by simply tapping on that. And then you can turn on or off the comments on your post. And then if you go back here, you have an option of pick a board. You can simply tap on that, and then you can also create a board. So after doing all of that and after editing that, you can simply tap on publish, which is on the bottom right. And your idea pin is live. So that's it. Now you can simply tap on see idea pin, and then here you will have your pin. So this has been posted on your Pinterest. So that's it. That's how you post a video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.